case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1979 landmark case of Hunt Oil Company v. Kerbaugh, the North Dakota Supreme Court grappled with the complex intersection between land rights and mineral extraction in the oil and gas industry. At the heart of the dispute was around 1,000 acres of land in Williams County, North Dakota, owned by the Kerbaughs. Beneath the surface, the Kerbaughs also held valuable mineral rights that they had leased to Edward Mike Davis. In 1976, after Davis assigned the leases to Williams Exploration Company, who in turn shared them with Hunt Oil Company, the companies began seismic exploration for oil and gas deposits, leading to a decrease in the flow of a nearby spring and leaving open holes on the land. This prompted Ivan Kerbaugh to reject an offer from Pacific West Exploration Company for further seismic exploration. Rejecting the oil company's unlimited right to explore, the Kerbaughs sought legal action, arguing for compensation for the damage done to their land and asserting that the seismic exploration was unreasonably aggressive. The lower court, however, sided with the oil companies, granting them an injunction that prevented the Kerbaughs from obstructing their exploration activities. Dissatisfied with the decision, the Kerbaughs appealed to the North Dakota Supreme Court. They contended that the terms of the order granting restraint, similar to a permanent injunction, were vague and that the lower court improperly used the concept of correlative rights, the mutual rights and responsibilities of adjacent property owners. In the ensuing judgment, Justice Sand, writing for the court, upheld the lower court's decision. He clarified that the mineral rights owner, in this case the oil companies, inherently have limited rights to the surface estate, which are necessary to explore, develop, and transport the minerals. The Kerbaughs failed to prove that the exploration activities were unreasonable or that viable alternative methods of exploration existed. Therefore, the granting of the injunction was not an abuse of the court's discretion. The case concluded with the Supreme Court remanding it back to the trial court, instructing the oil companies to provide adequate security for the order granting restraint within 15 days. Otherwise, it would be rendered null and void.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.